My mother snore. He go snore like say they call you. One day I just wake up for afternoon. My mother they sleep. My mother does. That's come. I waka go. Now she said, come on, come out here. Who call you? General Lode. Snoring.
I bet. One of the clap now. One of the clap.
Make him tell us you want snore. Leave snoring. No?
You know, Captain, they talk about snore. The truth about snoring, you get the level where we say snoring go reach. You go think saying speaking in tongues. Even angels go confused. Get one man and a wife. The man they snore. Up to this time, we say the wife don't try to do everything and not work. The wife just carry pipe, put the man for nose, connect them for window, put aside. If you hear snore, now the neighbors come they work there. On our generator still there on light there.
Snore. General. Make some noise. Make some noise.